Good morning, Molly. Boy, is it dark in here. It's very overcast today because we have a storm rolling in. Good morning, Angel. How are you feeling? How was your night? Good. I see the paper got moved around a little bit, so you must have been messing with that. And you did some good poops in your litter box. I saw that when I came in. I'll clean those up after feeding you. How does that sound? Oh, do we want petting first? Yeah. Good girl. I'm right here beside the bed. And she really enjoys being petted. I'm surprised she hasn't laid down yet. That's a good girl. Oh. See, there you go. Good girl. And all of a sudden, she's had enough petting. Yeah, you. What? I start talking and you're like, okay, I'm gonna stop. Well, she was gonna get off the bed. There you go. I assume we want breakfast, so that's what I'm gonna get started on. All right, beautiful. Here is your medicated wet food. We have fresh water, and our kibble dish is drying. Who's a good girl? I have not served the kibble yet because I want to make sure she gets her meds into her. Good girl. You're a very sweet girl. Why haven't you eaten all of your medicated wet food yet? I know I gave you too much, but it's chicken. I thought you would like it. Oh, Molly, no, you're not going to eat on the nice linen bed. No. Please eat your food on the floor, like a good kitty. Oh, you're so spoiled. Molly. Oh, we don't like the chicken? We're not on the chicken or the beef. We're a fishy girl. Oh my goodness. Molly. We gotta talk. You gotta have your breakfast. Yeah, I think I'm going to move her to the bay window and feed her there because that blanket is nice and easy peasy to clean. Okay? Maybe we can do that? She's thinking about it. We finally found a use for the staircase. Check it out. Good girl, Molly. I guess putting it in a novel place worked. But yeah, I'm definitely going to give her a much smaller portion for her medication tomorrow morning. I should not have been so sure that she was going to like the chicken this time. Miss Molly is not interested in her chicken breakfast today, but good girl. Yeah, you're so beautiful. She's like, okay, I tried. I gave you your cute photo. Now can we just relax? Oh, sweetie. I moved her pom-poms over to the bed last night because she hasn't been getting in the bay window much. Good girl. Oh. You're so beautiful. Do you just want to be brushed? Yeah. We don't usually use this one, do we? But our coat is so nicely brushed out already because you take such good care of it. And it's just going right through. Good girl, Molly. Eventually I'll work my way up to her neck, try to work on those little bits that she's been missing. Good girl. I went to change to a different brush because Molly has had her fill of the fine tooth comb, and I moved the paper and stuff, and I brought you a Springy. So you have a Springy on the bed. And I brought your other brush because you didn't like the fine tooth comb on your neck, but you let me do your neck with this one yesterday, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, you good? That's a good girl. She's purring up a storm. It's a good girl. And your cheekies. Good girl. My speaking is probably going to make her open her eyes, but as you can see, she's drifting off to slumberland. She loves having her hair brushed as she naps. I will give her a treat before I go because my leaving usually wakes her up. I'll turn off the bedroom light in here so it's nice natural light for her to enjoy looking out the window and watch the storm roll in. And I will be back this afternoon to spoil her some more. Have a great day, Miss Molly. I love you. Good afternoon, Miss Molly. Have you had a nice day? You're looking beautiful as always. Look what I bought you. More packing paper. What do you think? We're sniffing it. She likes to sniff all of it. Looks like we've been having some fun with the tunnel. Good girl. Where do you think I should put this? All around the living room? All through the hallways? Let me figure something out real fast and then I'll give you some affection. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, big yawns. Were you napping? What a sweet girl. I'll be right back. Such a good girl. She is just enjoying a nice hearty head massage today. That seems to be what she's wanting more than body. Some days she loves her back massages, and then other days she's all about the head and neck. And so we do whatever makes her happy, isn't that right? She's done some big yawns and nice big stretchies. She's feeling good today. Molly has started to groom herself, so I have backed off, giving her space. There's a dog barking in the distance. Don't know if you can hear it on the video, but kind of ruining the ambience in here. Good girl, Molly. Yeah. No. You're not done grooming yet? No, we gotta get the feetsies. Very thorough. Oh. So I just cleaned your litter box while you were cleaning yourself, and I also got started on your dishes. We have your food dishes soaking and your water dish drying. sun is already coming out. That big storm that everybody said was going to be all day, it barely lasted a few hours. But we're still hopeful for more rain later. Honestly, I was expecting a lot more, so I underwatered my garden this week, and I'm going to have to make up for that. Good girl. Do you like it faster? There you go. Okay, we like it faster. How am I just now figuring this out? How many years have we been together, Molly? At least a year. Isn't that crazy to think about? I love you very much. I love you like one of my own. Good girl. And we're deciding that it's time. Yeah. I'm going to put this here. So keep things interesting. Since she's not using it to go up and down. Did I clean your box to your satisfaction, madam? And now what do you think of all this paper, huh? Are you going to walk over it or around it? There you go. Yeah, it looks a little different than you left it. I need to put another pitcher of water in there, and I need to serve your wet food. I already put fresh kibble in the clean bowl, so she might grab a little bite of that since she does like her kibble an awful lot. It's the good stuff, isn't it, honey? Yeah. Good girl. I am so glad you're liking the packing paper. And here is fresh food for you. The rest of the chicken feast. It's a good girl. Are you gonna go eat? Or do you want to go cuddle? Do you want to go to the sunroom? I would love to go to the sunroom. All the birds are out after the rain. What do you think? We decided to sample our wet food. And now we're gonna go use the litter box, I bet. Are you gonna go over it? Oh no, Molly, how are you gonna negotiate this? Do you want me to move it? Honey, I thought you would walk over it. You're a very smart girl. Well, this is definitely a form of enrichment, getting her gears turning, making her think about things. There you go. Are we gonna go to the sunroom? Oh my God, my dreams are coming true. Yay. Good girl, Molly. Yeah, it's a long one, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? And we have your blanket here. Good girl, Molly. Are we gonna lay on the rug together? See, I don't want to go up on the couch for... Oh, I see how it is. Oh my goodness. I didn't want to go up on the couch first because I don't want to like take whatever spot she might want. You're such a good girl. I'm going to take some photos of her and then pet her a bit. Where are you going? Oh, so good girl. You're smelling my pockets. There you go. Well, that was a wonderful moment. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you for indulging me. Now I'm going to check the guest suite just to make sure there's no... I thought maybe she would turn around when she heard me open the door, but I'm just going to check in here and make sure there's no water issues from the rain. And in the meantime, Miss Molly is going to probably drink some water or eat some more food. Look what I found, Molly. Your cube. So we're going to put it there. Do you remember your cube? I got you that so long ago. I love how she comes to me for a little love. All right, you want to go back to bed? You want to get brushed? Oh, we're going to check out the rest of the paper, are we? We don't want to go into the gym. You don't really seem like the kind of kitty who needs to work out, if you know what I mean. Good girl. You got your tail on it. You like your paper, don't you? Good girl. Look at how you're waiting for me while I grab your brush. Are you ready for the brushy brushy? Do you want to go up on the bed? Or maybe in the bay window? We would get great photos of you if you go into the bay window. Or are you gonna spend some time with your Flappy Bird first? You coming? She's gonna take a moment. There we go, Angel. Who's a good girl? Are we gonna do a stand-up brushing session? Usually you lay down, but we can always mix it up if you wanna. Good girl. We're gonna watch the birdies from here. There you go. She's being a very good girl and letting me get the little bits under there. She's a good girl. I'm just using the very edge of it to just very gently, in a kind of way that mimics the way cats groom each other, which is like a little lick pull. Yeah. Not a big surface area of brushing at any time. But as you can see, we're slowly getting it out. We're getting more hair. You've got lots of spare hairs under your chinny chin chin. Yes, you do. We have started to groom ourselves for a second time. And we're looking away from me very pointedly. Hello. Oh, pretty girl. I have a feeling she is somewhat close to being touched out. Isn't that right? You've had so much massage and brushing the last few days. You are a little love sponge. But she's definitely getting all the attention and affection her heart desires. I think I'll end the video here because when I started to compile it earlier, it already looks like we're almost at 20 minutes of just video of your beautiful face getting brushed and loved on, isn't it right? But you know how this will go. I'm going to keep loving on her, spending time with her and giving her attention and affection until she starts to fall asleep, and then I'll try to make my leave and she'll wake up and be like, hey, where's my treat? And then I will give her a treat, and then she'll be like, okay, bye. And then she's going to have a great night with the run of the house. I love you, Molly. Have a great night, and I'll be back mañana. Bye-bye.